Hello and welcome to this instalment of Talking Trim. I'm Jonathan Skinner and today we're looking at the front seats, headrests and centre console areas for the Jaguar E-Type Series 3 models. So that's applicable to the Roadsters and the 2+2s. Obviously for the sake of this video it's only front seats, therefore doesn't include anything about the E-Type 2+2 rear seats. What we've got here is actually all these parts are out of my car. I've got a 1972 open two-seater Roadster and we're in the process of retrimming it, and I wanted to do some videos of the seats and the console before they went into the car. Then I'm going to do some follow-on videos after that. The reason being is we've done the extra mile on my car. We've created a retrim kit for the center console area here, which originally was just a sort of black plastic. The leather that we've used is the official Connolly Vaumol leather, the crushed grain, and we've trimmed up bits that aren't normally trimmed in any materials, so then also gone full leather, so no elements of vinyl in it at all. So I just thought I'd do a quick video because it looks pretty cool, pretty excited about it going all in the car, and of course I plan to do some videos when it's all fitted in the car. So seat covers, obviously see our other videos for the seat covers which will be in the description below, etc. But just to give a very quick overview, like I say, full leather, red Connolly crushed grain Vaumol. It's got the embossed pattern on it as per original from the factory. It's full leather, so even the surrounds here are leather and a retainer here. You can always tell Connolly Vaumol crushed grain because it's only surface dyed, so it often has this sort of beige backing on it. We've even gone the extra mile actually and done the leather piping on it. Normally standardly we do leather cloth, but as this was my car and I wanted to go the whole hog, and we had some surplus Vaumol from the rest of the cut out of the kit, I thought, why not? Let's go with leather piping on there, and it looks the part. Backrests again, same again. Obviously you can see the backrest backs are leather. Headrests, everything in leather, which is fairly standard for these ones here with the nice top stitching detail, etc. Something to bear in mind with Vaumol, because it's only surface dyed, you do occasionally get little areas where you can kind of just see a bit of the beige poking through. That is fairly standard on those. It's worth reading our Vaumol leather blog post for further information. Then we've got the headrest plate finishes. Those sit underneath like that and protect. We've actually trimmed those up in leather as well. We have the luxury of an in-house leather skiving machine, which is perfect for things like that. So we've done that to both of them, obviously. Then we've got these seat belt, safety belt retainers, so it keeps the safety belt away from the seat, stops it clipping through, so you pop it through those. They're normally just black plastic, that's how they go onto the spade of the headrest. Normally just black plastic, but again, we have done a retrimmed version in leather there, again using our in-house leather skiving machine. So that's kind of the seats. And then moving on to the console. Now the console, if I refer to this book here, like I say before, was originally just black plastic on the Series 3s, apart from the little armrest area there. Now obviously the armrest we've trimmed up, or semi-trimmed up to that point there, in the leather. Again, it was normally leather face, so just that top part would normally be leather, then the rest of it vinyl, but we've done ours full leather. And then we've gone the whole hog. We've retrimmed all of this area here in leather. We will be doing a retrim kit, offering a retrim kit for this area, either in a mixture of vinyl and leather or full leather if you prefer, which would basically be applied like this. This is actually our original console, hence it's not the best condition, but it works absolutely fine, and we're always of the general mindset that if you can reuse your original stuff in terms of these consoles, then do so. The aftermarket ones are available and they do work, but they're not exactly as they should be, so it's worth keeping that in mind. Then we've created a top plate panel that will sit in there. Obviously that's where this element sits over like that. Again, even that we've retrimmed in leather. Again, having the luxury of a skiving machine. Then we've done this pretty cool plate on the front here for the radio, which is leather but it's got this little pinprick perforation. It's not actually perforated, I don't think. No, it's just an embossed pattern on it. So like that, and then obviously the gear lever gaiter. And then very cool here, we've even done the ashtray. Retrimmed that in leather, and that's a true example of where a skiving machine is essential and worked out lovely, because you would never get those grooves in the ashtray with normal leather. In fact, you would never be able to get it to mechanically work either, but that looks the absolute part, so very excited. Just show you a few other bits and bobs that we've done the mechanism on the side of the seat in leather as well, so it's all going to tie in very nicely. Then even these door recess panels, it's where the opener for the door is in there. They're normally just black plastic, but we've retrimmed those in leather. I think I've done another video for those showcasing that as a product anyway, so worth checking that out. But yeah, I'll just do a quick video just to show you before it all goes in the car. Stay tuned for the update in the car. Thanks, bye.